Hello, in this video I'll share how to cook Ofe Akwu, that is Banga Stew with tinned banga. Here are the ingredients you will need. I'll be using grilled beef for this Ofe Akwu. Grilled beef takes your Nigerian soups and traditional Nigerian stews to a whole new level of taste. Add 2 small stock cubes and massage into the meat like this. Cover and set aside for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, massage again and place on an oven rack. Grill in a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade. Turn them over from time to time and grill till the meat is like this. This should take about 40 minutes, but keep an eye on it because no 2 ovens are the same. Soak the dry fish in cool water and set aside. Then prepare the rest of the ingredients. Grind the crayfish and ogiri. This is the brand of palm fruit concentrate that I'll be using. It tastes exactly like the one extracted from fresh palm fruits. A shout out to all the Ghanaians watching this video. Open the tin, mix very well and set aside. Cut the onion. I recommend red onions for Ofe Akwu. Slice the scent leaves. Pound or grind the pepper. When the fish is soft, clean, debone and break into pieces. And rinse very well. Everything ready, let's cook the stew. Add the dry fish to a clean pot, the grilled beef, and the remaining stock cube. Onions. Add water to just about the same level as the contents of the pot. And start cooking on medium heat. When it boils, leave it to cook for more 5 minutes. You want a small quantity of water in the pot to begin with. You can add more later. Add the crayfish, pepper, and the palm fruit concentrate, that is the banga. Cover and once it melts, stir well and add water if necessary. This is to bring it to the consistency you like for your stews. Cover again to bring it to a boil or till you see this oil floating on the surface like this. Then add the scent leaves. My family sends me scent leaves all the way from Nigeria, and when they arrive, I wash them, slice and put in the freezer. When I want to cook, I throw it into my stew while it is still frozen. It may look dark in the stew, but it tastes exactly like fresh ones. Some tips are easier to share on my blog, so visit my blog on blog.allnigerianrecipes.com for random Nigerian cooking tips. Cover and cook for 1 minute. Stir and it's done. Serve with boiled white rice, yam, potatoes, or white agidi. Enjoy!